How to customize messages assistant on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on interaction and dexterity. So after click on interaction and dexterity, so click on assistant menu. So after click on assistant menu, so click on select apps to show. So after click on select apps, so if you want to customize messages app, so messages app is showing here. So if you want to customize, so turn on this button. So after turn on messages button, you will see app is customized. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can customize messages assistant on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.